Hey guys, it's your boy Silver, and today we're going to be going through a quick video on how to set up OBS to do a sort of video where you can do box openings, right? Or maybe like a cooking stream. I just got back from GCX, and this question popped up from somebody in the community, and the question was, hey Silver, how do I set up like some of these presenters have here, my stream? How do I set it up where I can have the camera facing towards me, but at the same time have the showing of whatever is on my desk that I'm opening? So that's what we're going to be focusing on today. It's a very affordable way to go ahead and have it set it up. To begin with, OBS Studio is free, that you can go ahead and download at OBS Studio. Just go ahead and Google OBS Studio and you should be able to find it. It should be the first result at the very top. The second thing that we're going to be using is Droid Cam. Now, I did want to say that I'm a little disappointed at Elgato that they used to have a type of face cam that they can use via iPhone, and you would download the app and it would automatically connect to Cam Central, but the Camera Hub. And that's no longer a thing. They've decommissioned it and it's no longer working. If you have the app and it still works, hey, hang tight to it. Do not uninstall it from your iPhone because it is no longer supported. So please hold on to it. I made the mistake of uninstalling it. It is what it is. But this is still a really good choice because it works for Android and for iPhone. So go to droidcam.app, where you'll be able to go ahead and download. It'll give you the link to download the app for your phone, right? It'll tell you to go either download it from the Android Google Play App Store or the Apple App Store. And once you have that installed, you're gonna go ahead and download the Droid Cam client on your computer, okay? Once you install the Droid Cam client on your computer, you'll also need to install the plugin for OBS. So there's two downloads that you'll need to get for it to work on OBS. Okay, on top of getting the app, you will need to get the client and the plugin for OBS. And once you scroll down through droidcam.app, you'll be able to see the setup for your Windows computer and OBS plugin. So download both of these. And once you download both of these, you need to restart OBS. You will need to restart OBS so that you're able to pick up the plugin and it'll reflect on your OBS under sources. Now, something very important when setting up your iPhone using the Droid Cam app. This might not be something that you might have to go and use or download any further with your Android phone, but for iPhone, especially if you're using a Windows computer, you will need to use this little setup right here. And the reason is you will need to install the Apple mobile device support file, and that's just so that your Windows computer can recognize your iPhone. Okay, you will still be able to connect to the cam, but that'll be via Wi-Fi. I don't recommend that, and the reason is that one, it's a little unstable, right? It's going to depend on your network's connection, but also if you're out and about, let's say like I was right now at GCX and I am not connected to a secure Wi-Fi, it's definitely not something that'll be I'll be able to use. So I definitely want to be able to connect to my camera via USB-C. All right, so that's why this Apple mobile device support is important for me to install. So once I have the Apple mobile device support installed, which the link is here for you to be able to download under the droidcam.app website. Once you have that set up and you again close and reopen OBS, you'll then be able to see OBS. You'll be able to see the Droid Cam on your OBS. You'll be able to see the instructions here of what you'll be seeing. All you need to do is hit refresh device list. It'll populate the list of devices that are either connected or you can use via Wi-Fi as a source on OBS, right? Once you locate it, you hit activate and that'll immediately start showing the feed of your camera, and that's it. Now let's go ahead and have this set up on OBS. So as you can see here, right, I have a video capture already set up and added. It's easy to do. You hit add source and you go to video capture device. When you do that, it asks you, hey, do you want to create a new source from where you want to pull that, or do you want to use something that's existing, right? Once you do that, it's going to give you this window. This window, it's basically you selecting, hey, what camera do I want to use, right? Now this camera, the purpose of this little camera that I have on the corner is going to be to show my face, right? So right now it's showing dark because I have my laptop closed. But here, let me open this up. Woo, it's gonna be kind of weird. Hang tight. Hey, that's me. Hi guys. There you go. So I'm gonna put myself on a corner. All right, I'm gonna put myself on a corner. You're gonna hit OK. Once you hit OK, it's gonna stay like this. Now here's the other thing we need to set up: the Droid Cam OBS. Okay. Let me plug in my iPhone. So you need to make sure that you plug in your iPhone. It might ask you to go ahead. Hey, do you want to trust this connection? Are you cool with us connecting to the computer? You'll say yes. You'll launch the Droid Cam app. And once you do, as you can already start seeing, the camera will start showing everything from your iPhone, using your iPhone camera. Now you can definitely choose the different resolutions. I recommend always the max amount of resolution that your camera is able to support. And the reason is because when we have something with high resolution, we're able to resize it easily, right? We don't have to worry about quality. We can go ahead and resize things when they're like a high quality and it looks good. It looks great, right? We always want to try and put out as much quality as possible. So on the camera, there is there's a button to go ahead and switch it from front to back, right? It'll give you an ultra wide. It'll give you different options. Right, it's a very easy button to find in the bottom left corner. It looks like a little camera, and once you click it, it pops up with all the different ways that you can use your camera. So I want to use the back. And why do I want to use the back? That is so that you can then use this angle, right? Because theoretically, if I am doing a box opening, right, all my cards are going to be right here, right? So I want to be able to to have like a tripod, maybe, right? Just like a simple tripod that's gonna hold my phone looking downward, right? And here I am opening my box, etc. And that's it. It's it. You just hit OK. There I am on the camera. You can see me. You can also, if I had a tripod here on top, facing downward, you can see my hands. I'm opening things. I'm opening like your Pokemon cards, and I've done this before live on stream. This is kind of sort of how I have my setup whenever I do these sort of like box openings, and that's it. It's easy. The only expense that you will see with the Droid Cam app is that there is the free version, but that is limited in settings and in the resolution. I recommend just spending the $5 for the year. Okay, there's a lifetime fee and then there's a 1-year fee, but if you don't want to commit to the lifetime, which I believe is like $13 to $15, it's still really cheap. But if you don't want to commit to that and you just want to do 1 year, then pay the $5, use the full version of Droid Cam, and that's it. That's the full expense of what you have to do to be able to do this. That's all. Simple as that. I'll make sure to include all the links to Droid Cam on the video. So just use those links. They're safe. Don't worry, they're not going to take you anywhere suspicious. And yeah, let me know if this is helpful for you guys. Please, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can get more videos like this. Tell me in the comments if you found this useful. Did this work for you? Did you have some issues? Let me know if there's any issues, right? I'd be interested to see what what might have happened. But for me, it was just this simple to go ahead and set up and get going. Also, maybe share your channels of like whatever you're opening. I'd love to see unboxings. I love seeing unboxings. I love seeing people just being like excited about opening these different TCG boxes, or cooking. Dude, if it's cooking, even better. Show me your food. As clearly as you can see, I'm a big boy. I love food. So please share that with me. Would appreciate it. So yeah, thank you so much, and nos vemos en las estrellas guardianes.